Are you new to direct-to-film or looking to start? We have an amazing event just for you. Join us on April 20th and 21st in sunny Gilbert, Arizona for an immersive, hands-on learning experience designed specifically for beginners. Our experts will guide you through the process of DTF printing, starting with the basics and covering everything you need to know to become a pro. You'll have the opportunity to put what you learn into practice with hands-on exercises and real-life scenarios. And with a focus on practical applications, you'll leave with the tools and confidence to start your own DTF business or add DTF to your current one. Don't miss this opportunity to learn all about DTF. Space is limited, so register now for DTF Bootcamp. We'll see you in April.